Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can play a local video in Chrome's Picture-in-Picture mode on Windows 10. The first thing you need to do is you need to find the complete path to the video that you want to play. So go ahead and open File Explorer and navigate to the video that you want to play. Hold down the Shift key and right-click this video, and in the context menu you're going to see this option called Copy as Path. Once you have the path copied to your clipboard, open Chrome and paste it into the URL bar. Before you tap enter, make sure you remove these double quotes at the start and end of the path. And after that, go ahead and tap enter. And here we go, here's the video playing. And if you move your mouse to the bottom of the video, you're going to see this menu here, and tap it and you get Picture in Picture mode. Go ahead and click that, and the video is going to be separated into its own floating window. You can see that, like the picture-in-picture mode for web players, you can move it anywhere, you can resize it, and you can play and pause the video as well. If Chrome is unable to play a video, it may be because the format for the video isn't supported. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.